Morning! May ano ka mo? Madala kami jogging pants. Galo ay. Bado. Bapak, naman jogging pants ka na dalang? Ada tu. Bagay na kami dumandan yun. Ang mga diri sa dito na kain sa. Sir John, Kuya Dre. Sige na,
Okay, di man. Na.
Sir John. Thank you pa. Thank you so much. What happened? Hi, Sir Kevin. Jollibee, I sent the funniest short video today. Funniest video? With who? Hi, Cheryl's mom. Hi, Sir John.
Hello, Cheryl. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Ben. Morning, Jollibee. Jollibee. See you, Dre. Thank you, Sir Ben. Wally Oram. Good morning, Mayu. You are a good girl. Si Pedrior, Hiluma Cover. Hi. Thank you po. Hi, Taliban. Sharon, you have a Facebook there. Everyone has a Facebook. Oh my god. I already have a baby. Thank you. Thank you for watching po.
What are the cookie? I'm in here. Ah. Si Gabriel, ano na ako? Ano na? Sarado yung punta ito. Hi! Thank you pa! 82 million na. Hi, Miles. Miles.
You have to go for check-up, Cheryl. We will see you later po. Take care, Sir John. Take care po. God bless, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. Good morning, Sir Fred. I can't wait until you see the video. Really? How I see the video? Kuya, Kuya Jay, how I see? My God. Hello, good morning. What are you doing? I'm laundry. Metro Kota. Ay! 32 people now. Oh, God! Thank you so much. I think he talking about my short, Cheryl. Really? Oh my God. Oh my God. Sir Fran. Bossy Japonesa, no? I'm from Philippines. You will laugh also. Sir Fred, good day, good evening. Kuya Fred, video. The bowling man. Not much, Dre. Still blackout since 6 a.m. yesterday. Oh my God. Thank you so likes. And sorry, hi, sorry. My goodness, Fred. Seriously, no one knows why. No one knows why. That's the life living in province on mountain. Maybe I should go other house in the Polog. Yeah, maybe Sir Fred.
Okay.
Kabalay na nga. Ito, saan mo? Paglalakaw, nag-iirog doon. Di man doon. Gabriel. Dito sa ano? Alam mo kung dito ganito doon. Alam mo kung dito ganito.
Oh my god. I have super, but my time retire you can also all paid cash, so no payments. Huh? All paid cash? Wow. Lucky to your Fred, Sir Fred. How many houses you have? I have 2 homes and a condo in Cebu. Wow. By the time you retire, you can also see. Wow. Yes. Go, Kuya Dri. You have, 5 houses. You will have 5 houses. Kuya Dre, kaya mo yan. Ikaw ang aking ibig.
Private infra na for other airports na hawak na ng pribadong sektor. Pero baka pwede rin po natin silipin yun kung sakali. Kasi ito yung mas mabilis na paraan para mapababa po natin yung presyo ng tickets. Kasi tama po kayo, ilan dito, nakapasok na po kapag bibili ka po ng tickets during flight. Parang may options po na ganun. Baka ito pwede po natin masilip din. For domestic flights, yung lumang tipo 200, papunta po yan sa 390 pesos. So, tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko? Yung terminal fee, sa gobyerno din po ito, hindi po ito sa privado na pupunta.
Okay. Oh my God, thank you for 149 people. Oh my God. Adult pala. Thank you pa. Just wake up. Man, that's the dream, Fred. Yeah. Man, that's the same. Can you get any better? I mean, was back in the States for 9 years. I'm surprised Cheryl has not looked at my short on her mic yet. Wait, where is... I need to... Wait, I need to look. My God, was back in 2011, 2020, 10 to 2020, 15, then went back to state and bought 3 trucks and sent the profits back to wife so we could live good. Ma, sana all. Awesome Fred. Awesome Fred, my hero. By the time you're tired, you can also see. Yes. Kuya Dri, now you know the no, you have a goal. You have a goal, Kuya, for retirement, for your jowa. She going to now here. Oh my God, I just saw it, Brad, you bally man. Oh my God, wait. Kuya Fred, Sir Fred! Wait, where are you? The candelier, my God! My God. Nano? Tapos ka na? Inugasan mo sa tanos? Inkuskusan mo? Punasan mo ang lamisa? Magsamod ka dito. It was good. Good morning, Cheryl. I just woke up and the first thing I seen is a Fred new shot. Oh my God. My God. Amazing. What I can do with photos. My gulay. Best short. Best short 2016. My goodness. Fred, I gotta hand it to you. You are the bowling master. Try Roshi. I like to mirror and give you a... Roshi.
Nadi sa mo dide.
Mura. Thank you pa, 79 million. And we'll only get better, Dre. I'm in Sri Lanka. Sibidin Kirk. Sibidin 94 likes. Thank you so much. Mike still black out here. Why still black out? Fred, that other only you sent is the thrill about. Huh? Mike? Don't wanna live. Yes, it was. Huh? Yes, it was a real Rick Decent April package. What it means? April was happy. Huh? What do you mean? Who's April? Hi Magayon, morning. Who's she? Rex's girlfriend? They deserve to be happy. I send you the link, Cheryl. It doesn't matter. They deserve to be happy. I think Rick is just a single. I hear he is a single, and so maybe he finding no love, or maybe he's just a helpful people person. Maybe he just helpful like me. He said just a friend, no string attached, just help. Will you marry me? Then we can go to us. Sheryl Wicks in April a package same as he sent you. He's a playboy. Huh? Same as me? Rick is trying to buy. Same as me? What? How you know? Hello, I'm from Rio de Janeiro. But I think, ano, yes, same exact package, Cheryl. Oh, exact package. Don't wanna let her go. This woman is just so happy. Maybe if this a woman is, shall look at link. Maybe this woman is also single. It's fine. If she's single, it's fine to receive from other men like Rick. April, she's married. She's married. Oh my God! What? Maybe just a friend. Ay, kanina nakaayo ka pa lang. Pinaunas mo sa ayang. Eh. Maybe they just friends. Maybe they just both friends. Maybe good friends. Something like that. No string attached. She even chose husband and introduced him on her stream. She even... oh, okay. Maybe just friends. Cheryl is the girl you sent. Stop Stop depending. Okay, so as part of me, if I'm having a relationship, so if I'm getting married, It's really, no. That's why fame we agree. That's why before, I remember before, we having a team, we didn't, not yet met, we are in a relationship. I stopped committing even my friends because I respect my relationship. Most, if I am married, if someone wanting my intention just to catch my, like giving a gift. It's really weird. Because time before, someone big long said, can you do a PayPal? Not yet monetize. It helps you, Cheryl. But Tim said before, no need to PayPal. You can wait to monetize because I can support you. So on that, on that, it's enough to supporting me. Not too much, but it helps me because it's like, it's even respect for a relationship because we free. Yes. But if someone married woman and like this entertain, oh my god, entertain men, oh my god, and calling you sweetheart. If you are if you are a married woman or you having calling someone you as a honey, sweethearts or something, it's weird. Maybe I don't know. I don't know about the story. I don't have I can't do judge them. Maybe oh my god. If married man, a woman, I oh my god. You know what that means. Jay, he tells all the woman friends with benefits. Cheryl, her queen. Ah, okay. Maybe we don't know about the remember I said here, Rick, she said no string attached. So I expect no string attached. Oh my god. Most Filipina don't know what it means. Ah, okay. I explained to Cheryl, maybe she understand now, yes. I explained the no string attached. Mm.
Sabaw na lang. Sabaw.
Mike, when you getting married? No. I I'm behave, no? That's why I before when with him, that's why I understand them because it's a respect. Because when someone said here on the live, Cheryl, can you can you drop the PayPal because I want to send you something help. But them said no need to you can wait for monetize Cheryl because I can supporting you something like that. That's why even I wanted because it helps me more to save money. Uh, but I respect him. That's why. Not yet, not do it. Even the request on the people here on the live before. But when we break up, I did the Gcash. I dropped the Gcash and then people here. So that's why I have no guilt about team to break the rules because we already break up. That's why I put the people here on my bio. But before, I understand that. No? If you're still single, come visit Vietnam. No, I'm not single now. Good morning, Cheryl. Just look at my short again in love. Shame on the Rexter. The Rexter. Sure, you know you will. Yeah, but I have no right to judge this woman. Maybe because uh, I don't know about them, the friendships or deep relationship with each other. Maybe best friends. A deep meaning of the relationship. That's my God. But whatever happens, their life is why does it hurt me so? Maybe oh my God. Maybe if just a gift, it's a gift. I just thought was funny. Cheryl's talking about them now. Now laugh and smile. Da, 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 da. Maybe my love will come back someday. Cheryl, stop overthinking and remember no worries, no regrets, only good days ahead. Mahal kita. Sometimes I overthink a lot. Since blackout her, I will mow alone again. How's morning going? Sensible, my going's fine. Hi, Sir Ryan. I'm glad to hear everything is good. Hi, Sir Ryan. Good morning. Let me look at my shirt and laugh again. You have a good birthday. Yes, Sir Ryan. Thank you po. Happy birthday to me. Hola, hola. By the way, you look great. Thank you, sensible man. Look great. Just wake up. Late, I wake up. Alam na. May gulay. Late wake up. Jollibee, ano? I like Oan. Kuya Dre, I like one. You're welcome, sensible man. I like one. I like ano. I like one. Why do you wake up late? Because I sleep late. I sleep late. Ginaldo Saba, sensible man. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe, oh my God. Haha, beauty sleep and it's working. Oh Lord, I laugh every time I watch the short. Oh, Estrella, hello. Haha. Well, that's good getting plenty of rest. Yes, pa. Ha ha ha. See ya. Do what I let her go. My God, I can't believe. Hey Kuya, are you having a fun in mission? Pedra, ¿cómo está mi amiga? ¿Cómo está? Well, I almost ran off the road laughing at the short. Kuya Dre. Of course I am. It's hilarious. Yes, Kuya Mike. Kuya Mike. Oh my God. Wish one day we meet soon. We have reunion. Kuya Dre and as Jowa. The Jollibee. Shame on you, Dre. Keep eyes on the road. Spa. Sir Donnie. Yeah. Hello, Cheryl. Fred, this one should knock several carats of bear off my tongue. Car of my tongue. Don't wanna let me go. Even never again. Maybe your heart will find a way. Mike, you're wrong. It adds more onto your top. Cheryl, have everyone check my short about you and Mike. Oh my god. Fred, the one you should. Oh my god. Yes, maybe the check on you. Sir Fred, I love you too. Huh? Rakesh, why would she give you what's up? Yes, why? Maybe you will send the million. If you want to send, I have PayPal. Hi, Pedro. Okay, I need to go battery at under 20% and don't know when there is electric. Okay, yes pa. Thank you, Sir Fred. Maybe no love will come back. Enjoy guys. Stay safe, Dre. Yes pa. Stay safe, Kuya Dre. Be careful. Okay, boy man, good job. In the short. Nito. Oh my. See ya. Need to meeting. Hungry?
Kumusta? Bali mo ha. Naglaba ka, daghan na laba mo. Ha? Naglaba ka ada. Paglaba ko malayo na talagang pamangkin. Nanganaan niya. Ham.
Kapatid, importante ito ha. Kapag meron kang video kabayan savings, ang mag-download ka ng video app, lahat ng padala mong pera, yung electronic transfer, ito ay nauuso, di ba? Yan lahat ng iyong pagpapadala ng pera, libre, wala nang kanina screen phone, at kailangan ang video kabayan savings mo sa alinmang
So pretty out, girl. Thank you po.
ang serbisyo at yan ang alagang kabayan hatid ng video kabayan savings. Ang ating pong importanteng diskusyon sa mga isyong pambayan at kapag importanteng nakapanayam para po sa ating mga usapin ay tawag ako lahat tayo may pagkakaroon.
Be back. Have phone calls. Okay. So, thank you. Amor, amor. Allah. So
Akala nyo lang yun. So sorry, I crossed the bio, now I'm crossing. I crossed the bio, I can't see. Papaya, I go up and the white rose papaya. White rose papaya, may puti power times 2. Gusto may papaya, kamaya sila may share water and fish oil pa. Kutis sulit ang glow up and the white rose papaya. White rose papaya, kutis sulit ang glow up.
Where you stay?
Where are you from?
Chicken or banana?
Who are you?
Got your final aircraft here, so people with using signals, one login, one subscription, but multiple streaming apps there. Single super only is one. Ganyan, pag smart at face washing days, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggalan sebo, tanggalan bakterya.
Good security is part of all. Ako po si Supervisor, kanyang pati, and yes, at least yung
me where to
May nagbago? May arte? May gadget? Akala nyo lang yun. So sorry, I crossed the bio, now I'm crossing. I crossed the bio, I can't see. Papaya, I go up and the white rose papaya. White rose papaya, may puti power times 2. Gusto may papaya, kamaya sila may share butter and fish.
Hoy, malangkot ang beshi ko. Malangkot ang beshi ko. Tell me where do it start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. What a letter I go.
Sa'yo, didi kita ho. Didi kita ho.
Dito kay Tita Sheryl.
Sige na. Uy, ang galing. Ang galing. Kagayo. Didi ho. Didi ho. Araw. Bakit?
Ano? Ha?
Nana daw?
Ano?
Maulo?
Langgam.
Langgam?
Bigat ko sa langgam.
Araw, kagat langgam. Hi. Aray, mo na ka na. Ate, dali na, paimot mo ka natin.
Kagat ka sa langgam?
Adaw. Thank you pa. Anderson, hi. Juran. How are you? I'm fine, Gerald. Bessie, perhaps Apollo, Paista, Kamala. Thank you, Mike. Ha? Bye. Napaka-shout ka? Hindi ka maka-shout. Sige.
Kung may ano,
Magkano?
150 lang.
Ay. Masuludan mo ako. Dili kayo may suludan Gcash ko. May ano, may Gcash ka.
Lutang.
0977.
Parang. Malago ng cellphone. Ha? Malago ng cellphone makapawag.
Yan na, sayang na rin. Yes. Ano na gigiling mo? Pa?
Share na na natin.
0977
7725
39
39
596 0977-253-597. Yes.
Sana. Tagpira titang ano. Ha? Sayaw na. Katugtugan ko ito, TikTok.
Ha?
Sayaw na. Tugtog ka TikTok.
Let's start.
Ito ka dito siya. Pili na dito may tugtog. Bawal. Bawal.
Ano kita din?
Rock one. Signal.
My love will come back someday.
Ano mo?
Ano?
Ang ID mo. Ihatag mo na sa akong ID mo. Kaya add ko na ka
Ang easy mo nila. Yes, boss.
Mas wag yung an ID kay mas ano kay minsan magkapares ang ID mo na lang. Yan, rank mo.
Legend.
Wow, legit ano ko na. Sim kita, 1 star na lang ang kulang sa
Three. Dati, ano ako, legend to.
ID mo.
Yun na lang.
Ako na, edi na ako ng ID.
Ako na, sa'yo na ang idea ko.
Marang na ako.
Sa baka mo,
Buti na, sabi ko, makuha, gaway. Ganyan, mara.
meet up ka natin, Giselle. Ay, ate. Giselle.
Hmm?
At iyat mo na natin.
Hindi ho, hindi ho, hindi ho. Di ba ako ID?
Sa'yo si Dela. Si Dela. Says, hi, Says. Harper, Happy Chain. Super, super cute family. Thank you.
Isa na lang yun doon pag may wifi. Thank you po. Sama mo sa bisita siya.
Ha?
Patawa.
Magkano ka na kay mahalin ni kita?
Pa-share ka mo? Kita? Pa-share?
Magkano kami sinasabi dito sa base ko.
Ah, may bracelet na sila?
Sa ano? Sa Carriedo.
Saan?
Hey, how are you all? Fine all? Okay all.
Bibian, may bukso ko.
Thank you sis. I miss you all. Na. Yes. Miss you all na. Miss you all din. Miss you na din. We miss you na. Uwi ka na. We're going to the moon in black. Man in black. Ano daw? The moon in black. To the black. Ano? Ibig sabihin sa? Moon in black.
Ay, yun ah.
Black and moon. Parang may ibig siya sabihin.
May ibig talaga yan. Ibig sabihin, pero hindi ko alam. Bawal mo magtugtog. Bawal mo magtugtog. Huwag. Kasi dito ka tita, magsaya-saya.
Kahit man ang nadidinig, gumagalaw sa aking isip. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Sapat na sa akin. Miss you miss you na sis. Oy, buwana. Hello. Hi, Tis. Hello, good morning there. How are you? I'm Nimesh. Hi, I'm Nimesh. I'm in Sri Lanka. Okay, I'm Nimesh. You're Nimesh. You're Nimesh. Nimesh. Nimesh.
Namash. Namash.
Nimesh. You're Nimesh. Nimesh. You're Nimesh from Sri Lanka. Hi, Nimesh. Nimesh. Tayo na baba. Makap ka na kita. Nagliwang ka na. Kanya ka pinakitaan.
Sayaw.
Malapit na ako uwi dyan. Mag-business na lang ako ng dumpling Taiwan test. Sige, sis. Bakit?
Ano ka na, mabili ka.
Ay?
Mabili ka kanita siya.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye vlog.
Bye-bye, ba. Ito po gawin slipper dito. Maybe I'll never come back. You are Lemon. Dito na. Kaya nga. Bye. See you next. Thank you, sis. See you next live. Stay safe. Busy na ang lifestyle ko. Yes. Kailangan maging busy. Para hindi boring. Busy na ang lifestyle. Busy na ang lifestyle. Ti amo, ti amo, amor, ti amo. Gumugulo sa aking isip, sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Thank you so much for joining again and again and again. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Hello, hi Peo, Tony Anthony. Hi, Tony Anthony. .1 Radio FM. 92.1 Radio FM. Grabe naman yun. Hi, Jose.
Shea butter and tea tree oil pa. Kutis sulit ang glow up. White rose papaya. Kutis sulit ang glow up.
What are you doing? I'm doing live. Game over. Magliwang ka na kanakato na kita. Magliwang ka na kanakato na kita.
Muna yan.
Magliwang ka. Kanya to na ano.
Na.
Magliwang ka dito sa Matanos.
Panis. Ang kulay
Oo.
gray.
Mga accessories na lang po na nasusunod ko, lahat po yan galing kay Mayet de la Rosa Fine Jewelry. Meron po tayong QR code sa inyong screen para po kayo mapunta dun sa kanilang website at sa Facebook page. At syempre, hatiin din po yan sa ating lahat mga kapatidang sister,
Ano, hindi na
center,
kayo
napkins,
nakapost
and
mo.
panty line.
Ayaw sa na green kay ano. Darahol mo yun to sa ano.
Protection. Nandito na po ang Sisters Gold Repeat Series.
Shirt na lang. Ano naman. Palitan mo. Ganap ka dun short. Short. Dali na.
Available po sa supermarkets, groceries, and drugstores nationwide.
31 people. Hi. Oh my God.
Merong mga tinulungan po ng mga farmers. Diyan po sa planting.
Diri, ano yan? Luho yun. Oh, muda. Yadi na ho. Ano mo? Liwat mo na.
Davao del Norte. Sana all, thank you so much for tuning in. Also, good morning to Sir Jerry Telan and kay Sir Pans Castro, Father
Good morning, Anjo. Hi, Anjo.
Abby Villanueva, Jen Chua, Rowena Estrella, Georgie Bautista, Rowena Martinez, Elma de Basilia, at sa husband na si Elmer de Basilia, hello din daw Rita Cecil Damiana, Tito Gabby Damiana, mula po yan sa Alabang. Pinamati namin once again, belated happy birthday, yung ating kasamahan dito sa HR and Facilities ng TV5, Sir Rolly Santos, happy birthday po sa inyo. Naway nag-enjoy po kayo nitong nakaraang birthday niyo po kasi ngayong February. And mga kapatid sa mga nakatulog sa atin ngayon, meron po tayong makakausap mamaya. Huwag niyo po kalimutan yung ating happy hour. Abangan niyo po yan ha. Mamaya po for what's on your mind. Pwede matapos ang programa na hindi natin nakakausap. Ito ang mga kapatid natin na nagbibigay inspirasyon po sa atin araw-araw. Good morning na rin kay Christina Garcia, kay Jason McDowell, Leo Jacob. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Jonathan, good morning po sa inyo. Sabi, ang aga niyong ng birahe ha, PJ, Chacha at Manong Ted. Alingin naman. Nagtatanong lang naman kami ng aming partner dito. Reporting na rin po kay Roberto Tampalo. God bless daw sa lahat ng anonymous donors natin. Uy, kahapon, isang bagsak, 10,000 piso agad po yung ating happy anonymous. Maraming salamat po sa mga happy donors natin na everyday nagbibigay. Si Shannon Dorano, nakatulog daw siya sa 1PH. Siya po ay nakasignal. Kung kayo ay may signal sa bahay, 4 na oras walang puntay, makakasana na po kami ni Manong Ted. Kaya magpakamit na po
Sapat
kayo
na.
ng signal. May mga nanonood din sa atin sa RBTV, si Miss Luz Clarizal.
Kaya na, kaya sama ka pa na kita.
Hindi na po sa RBTV.
Wait lang.
Kaya lang wala na po ang telegram. Kanina pa po
Nalalaman ko. I need to end the live now because busy day. Thank you so much for joining. God bless. See you next live. Busy din na. Bye-bye. Love you all. See you next po. Have a blessed day.